Hello, this video will show you why any number other than 0 raised to the 0 power equals to 1. Suppose we have the fraction x to the 5th divided by x squared. So we know that x to the 5th means we have x times x times x times x times x 5 times over x squared 2 times, or x times x. Okay, so then if we go to reduce this, then we know that x over x is 1 and x over x is 1, and this leaves us with x cubed in the numerator, or just x cubed. We also have a rule that tells us that when we go to reduce a fraction, we can subtract the exponent, so this gives us x to the 5 minus 2, which gives us x to the 3rd. And then we see that either way, by subtracting exponents or by writing it out and reducing, we get the same answer. So that's why we have two different techniques that we can use. Now let's say we have x to the 3rd over x squared. This would give us, we can go x times x times x over x times x, because x to the 2nd means we have 2 of those, and we can cancel those out, and we can, x over x is 1, and then we're left with just x, or x to the 1st power. And then we can use our rule of subtracting the exponent, so this gives us x to the 3 minus 2, which gives us x to the 1, and this is x to the 1. So again, we get the same answer. So we have two different rules, and they give us the same answer. Now let us look at, let's say, x to the 4th over x to the 4th. Well, this gives us x times x times x times x over x times x times x times x, and this is another name for 1. X over x is another name for 1. X over x is another name, and x over x, and this leaves us with 1. But let's look at the rule where we can subtract the exponent. So this gives us x to the 4 minus 4, which gives us x to the 0. And that's why, because we have two different rules, they give us the same answer. Anything other than 0 raised to the 0 power is equal to 1, because the way that we get 0 for the exponent is they have to be equal. Like 4 minus 4 give us 0, which when we write it out the long way, we have to have the same value in the numerator as we do in the denominator, which gives us 1, which is why anything to the 0 power is equal to 1. And I hope you found that interesting. Thank you.